Okay, so we're on the train.
On the way back?
Yahoo!
On the way back? On the way back? On the way
I
back?
got my Starburst, and yeah, see you guys when I've opened them. And there's my brother.
See you guys when the bus start time of bus train starts moving.
Where's that come for you?
Good.
I can't get one.
What?
One of those for you.
I know you're joking because I looked in there.
Yeah, well, it must have fallen out of the bag then.
I know. What's that?
Blue juices.
You felt for that, didn't you?
Fell for it more than Jamie did.
No,
I didn't even feel for
I
it.
got myself some food stores.
You've only got that?
I didn't really mind because I don't like ghosts.
They didn't have
So the train's moving. You can see there's a few sweeties for you. Don't you like them? Who doesn't like sweets?
I like
Of course, Mum. It's so if you guys couldn't know, you can't. I was gonna see if they can.
Can I try and get some credit on your phone?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to end it.